So my father is always late. He's late for literally everything. And because of that, I'm literally late for everything. But the only difference is I'm well aware of my lateness. So if you are one of those people, BJ's has everything you need. You saw gift wrap on sale. You saw gift bags on sale. They even have decorations for you last minute people that need to decorate real quick for the grandkids or your kids or whatever. This is even a gift wrap kit that is discounted. It has the gift wrapping paper. It has bows. It even has the tags in it. This here, okay, if all the people that don't cook and they just go to their family's house for food, how about you just bring the whole box? You got a big platter and then 2 smaller platters. Take the whole box. Check this item out. This is a really cool item. I think it's cool, but I'm not so sure about it. It's $400, but it's a like touch screen gaming system that has all the board games that we grew up playing. So I think it's pretty cool, but for $400, I don't know. Again, a great selection of toys, and a lot of them were discounted. So if you are a last minute mommy, daddy, auntie, bestie, godparent, check out BJ's because they have a great selection of kids' toys for pretty much for every age group. I love me some Leapfrog toys, more toys. They even got some Bluey stuff. Definitely check out BJ's and see what they have because they have a great selection of items to help all you last minute people this holiday season. Happy holidays from the Maddens.